from the entire team of Operation Walk Chicago, we want to say thank you for being such good patients, so patient, and working so hard to get better.
Hai lời cho đoàn Operation Walk Chicago.
It takes a very large team to do this kind of a surgery on this many people. The next is the group of physical therapists.
Rock and roll!
So Vince and Ann have, and you've got to translate this exactly. You need to translate. You've got to translate this. Vince and Ann have dedicated their life to bringing Operation Walk to Vietnam. And how many have we brought to Vietnam?
11 years.
So for 11 years, they've been bringing Operation Walks to all over Vietnam, but especially here, their hometown. So they have changed the lives of more people than we can count. Dr. David Stolberg is the head of all Operation Walk. None of us would be here doing this if it wasn't for Dr. Stolberg. Dr. Stolberg.
Đây là bác sĩ David Stewart, cũng là trưởng đoàn, là người các bạn đã thấy, và ông đã là người hy sinh rất nhiều cho công việc của Operation Walk Chicago.
May mắn vì danh sách đăng ký là đến 180 người.
It was a hard work the first 4 days, and then now it's just very rewarding. Yes.
When it comes down to it, it's a simple operation, but the amount of good that it can do for somebody is incredible. So it's just awesome to see.
It fills you up. It fills you up from the inside. Everyone when we come on these trips really says, "Oh, well, you're being so kind helping these patients," but really it fills you up inside. So this is about as full as you can be in your soul, and it's going to hopefully last for as long as there is until the next trip.